Good morning, my cute fish, Memo. I have great news for you. I finally got the cat I've been dreaming of. Oh, why did you react like that? Whatever, I have to go. See you in a few minutes. Hello, I came to tell you something. I hope you don't mind.
No, ma'am. Here you go. All my ears are open to you.
Well, I wanted to adopt a cat.
Very good decision. And if I don't make you angry, may I prefer something to you?
Oh no, no problem at all. I'm listening to you.
Actually, all my cats are smart, but Lily is the most docile of them. I think you can love her.
Is that so? I'm curious. I want to see her.
This is Lily.
Oh my gosh, this is exactly my dream cat. I want to own this.
Of course, she is your cat now.
Lily and Memo will definitely be very good friends. Here, Lily, this is your room. I arranged this room for you so that you wouldn't get bored. You can shower and play as you wish. I bought other options for each item, so I had more options. So don't think I'm crazy or anything. And I really like this bed. I'm sure you will too. Aw, damn it, you're so cute when you sleep. Anyway, Lily, let's get to the serious topic now. Memo still hasn't gotten used to your arrival, so don't get too close to it. It's a sensitive fish. Do we have an agreement? Well done. You are a very smart cat. Anyway, I have to go to school now. I'm running late. Be good until I get back. Don't hurt Memo. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot to take my lunch. How could I forget something like this? Lily, what are you doing? I told you not to touch the Memo. It's not just a meal for you, it's a family member. You're hungry, aren't you? If you had told me, I would have given you food. Here I put food for you. Maybe your eyes won't go to the Memo. You can eat and relax as much as you want here. I hope you don't dare attack the Memo again. I guess there's nothing to worry about anymore.